Stick cloves into garlic cloves. This method has been used for generations, and you've probably never heard of it. Garlic has antibacterial and antifungal properties, but that's not all. Its strong smell is a natural repellent. Start by peeling 4 garlic cloves. Then take some cloves, the spice, and grind a tablespoon of them into a fine powder. In a glass container, pour 10 ounces of hot water and add the ground cloves. Chop 1 garlic clove into small pieces. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the liquid through cheesecloth into another container, pour it into a spray bottle and add a splash of vinegar to enhance its effectiveness. Use this mixture to spray balcony windows and other entry points to keep mice and cockroaches away. But that's not all. This solution also works wonders for cleaning bathroom surfaces. Just spray, wipe with a sponge, and watch the dirt disappear instantly. For extra protection, stick whole cloves into garlic cloves and place them in areas where you've seen insects. The strong scent will keep them at bay. A simple, effective, and completely natural solution. It only takes 10 minutes to get rid of ants. This trick will make the ants run away. You can eliminate an entire anthill without using harmful substances. I'll show you how to do it. Take a lemon, which is the main ingredient of our trick. Also, prepare some cloves. They are the second most important ingredient. Cloves are a very effective natural ant repellent because insects dislike their strong scent. Take the cloves and start sticking them into the lemon. There should be quite a few cloves. This lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the anthill. You can also place it where ants often appear. You'll see the first effects within a few minutes. Cloves combined with natural repellents like lemon create a strong deterrent effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to resort to chemical insecticides right away. It's worth using homemade remedies. Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1 1/4 cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches.